Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we got this Saeco Starbucks Barista with us in the shop. Pretty much what was happening is the steam one, where you would pressurize your boiler, and you would try to steam. It would steam for a few seconds, and it wasn't that great of steam either, and then it would just completely stop itself until you would change modes and try to pump water through the machine. Then you go back again, and it would do it also, or do it again for only a few seconds, and it will keep almost clogging itself while you try to steam. Also, when you'd steam, or when you would pour espresso shot, a lot of hot water would come out the steam one. So pretty much what we did was a complete tune-up on the machine, descaling your machine, descaling your boiler, descaling your steam assembly. Also, we did replace the gaskets on the steam assembly and the gaskets on your steam on, and the gasket on the front of your machine where your group head's at. Also, I did crack the boiler in half just to see how bad it was, and it was a lot of scale in there. Like quite a lot, to where I had to scrape off the bottom half of the boiler. I wasn't able to scrape the top half of the boiler, because if I did, it would take me a few hours to do so, because you have to take apart the whole boiler. So I tried my best to clean it out. And so now we're going to test the functions of the machine. We're going to start with espresso. Again, I did not measure this at all. This is our test coffee. I did clean your boiler off with coffee detergent also. Put this in there, go all the way, put this here. Maybe I need to pour it like this. I'm gonna pour espresso. If it runs too fast, perfectly fine. If it runs too slow, perfectly fine. I don't have it measured at all. There you go. And this portafilter is kind of acting like a pressurized basket. If you are aware of Breville machines, they use a dual type function, kind of like this. This has a spring inside of your portafilter that does all that pressure for you. See, decent, all right. Again, this is unmeasured, so perfectly fine how it is. The hot water, all you have to do is, when you get your machine, you just put something in there and you turn it on. As you can see, hot water comes out of the side. Very steady stream. Now we are going to test the steam function. We're just going to wait for it to get hot. Alright, now that we're up to pressure, we could open the steam valve. As you can see, it might clog sometimes. So what you would do to fix this is you would turn off the button, let water run till it opens up. And as you can see, very, very, very solid, steady stream of steam. We're gonna let it run just to show you that it's gonna keep going. At some point you do run out of steam in there, and you would let it cook. I've only been letting it heat up for max 3 minutes, so. But as you see, still going. If it ever clogs, again, just turn that off till water pushes through, and then click it again. And I'm just going to close that now and turn it off. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this repair or any of our other videos on our channel, please leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.